local GameStop today, see if they have anything good on the shelves, and I did find this Banpresto, My Hero Academia of Amazing Heroes Volume 5 All Might statue. It's on clearance shelf, and couldn't really pass it up for $14 and some change after tax. The packaging is really nice. It has a picture of the statue on each side of the box in different orientations, and has a nice stylized background to add a little motion to the box. Label on the top, warnings on the bottom. Now let's open this up and take a look at the statue. The statue comes disassembled, each piece sealed in a different section of the bag. You have the base, stand, legs, upper torso, and the head. Alright, let's get this out and we'll put the statue together. We have All Might's head, a big toothy grin. The torso, and all the costume lines are indeed sculpted on in paint. It looks really nice. Like the really bold colors on the very comic book like style colors. And here's the legs. You have the stand. Stand is in two pieces. Here's all the pieces outside the bag. Now let's go ahead and put all mine together. Stand. Nice tight fit to put in the torso into the lower legs. The head pushes on. There's a slot in the back of the thigh. It slides on here. There's also a hole in the base of the stand for the peg. Probably would be better to slot this in first before plugging into the stand. Here we have the statue all together. It's a great looking representation of All Might. I love the dynamic pose, the action pose of the figure. The detail in this statue is very nice. Some of the sculpted lines of the costume, the colors, the very clean paint apps. Love the design of the belt. I think the old school DC Marvel Comics vibe to them. But I think it's going to look really nice sitting on the shelf. And I believe that'll wrap this one up. I'll see you later.